Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and I'm putting the making the ending of the video at the beginning. I've done some slideshow or some. I took some pictures of this build that I just finished up on. This is a minnow bucket lamp. I made 3 of them, 2 of them for one friend of mine and 1 for another. This one here was missing the door, so I flipped it upside down and bought a couple of these little hangy thingies for it. And it's got a pull chain, and they can add to it and do whatever they wanted. About a foot long cord, and then of course I got that little I forget what they call that, spring clamp. There we go. Anyway, just easy builds. If you got an old minnow bucket that you're not using, or if you're my buddy Aaron who never gets to go fishing anymore, he can use his minnow buckets to make lamps with. But these are, hang out on the porch. They are not waterproof, so you need to be mindful where you hang them. I'd take them down and put them up when you're not using them, and then put them out when you got a gathering or whatever, or under a covered patio or something like that. Anyhow, just a simple build. Stick around, take a look at the picture slideshow that I'll put together, and if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you on the next video.